measurements which must be known. Those measurements are the height of the pallet, the width of the pallet, the depth of the pallet, the height of the box, the weight of the box, and the height of the load itself. In the first example, we will program preset number 1 to wrap the load with a basic multi-X pattern. Select M000, then preset 1. M002 change X is the spacing between the crossing points of the X. In our example, the box weighs 20 pounds or 44 kilograms, so the recommended setting is -1. This gives a slightly denser pattern of X's to better secure the load. M003 top drop sets the position of the top band. It should be set to half the box height. Half of 356 is 178 millimeters, so enter 178. M004 start tape indicates the lowest tape placement height from the top of the turntable. Set it to Z ? To secure the load to the pallet. Set M005 top band to N, since no top band will be added. If the pallet where the column is stacked, a top band would be recommended. M006 multi-X should be set to Y, since a multi-X pattern is planned. No looping is being used in the basic example. No overbanding will be used in this example. We are using a wooden rectangular pallet, so M013 is set to No, and then the length and width of the pallet are entered. Program M016 New Home to 800 millimeters for easy access to the tape. As the top layer of the load is a full layer, set M018 to No. To save the program changes, press the yellow Reset button. For future loads requiring the same pattern, the operator needs to select Program 1 and begin wrapping. If the same load arrives with a partial top layer, then simply change M018 to Yes. If the load is column stacked and requires a top band, set M005 to Yes. To program the same pattern with overbanding, select M000 preset 2. Program the same parameters, but change M009 to Yes, and select the locations of the overbanding. Press Reset to save as program number 2. Lastly, to add looping to the same load as program number 3, select M003 preset 3 and change looping M007 to Yes. Again, the yellow Select button saves the programming changes. If some of the loads are moving across the factory for further processing, then the multi-X pattern is not necessary. The banding pattern can be used. Change M005 multi-X to No. This automatically adjusts M010 banding to Yes. The location of the bands must be programmed into M010. For example, T1010 1010B will apply bands of tape to secure the load for intra-plant shipment. Set M004 to still secure load to pallet and add in the pallet dimensions. Save the banding program as preset number 4. The ST1000 allows for 10 preset wrapping patterns to be stored and ready to use at the push of a button. It should be noted that a single preset pattern may be used with many different pallet configurations. This video should provide you with the knowledge and expertise you need to reduce waste and help meet sustainability goals by utilizing 3M stretchable tape systems. To learn more about 3M's complete line of packaging innovations, go to 3m.com/packaging or contact your local 3M representative.